I'm interested in the HVAC program because we live in Arizona and it's really hot here in the summer.
Everyone is using their AC units, and I personally have had mine break at home.
And it's really nice to be able to know how to fix an AC when it breaks.
And so I just wanted to be able to give back to my community and make sure everyone stays cool during those brutal summers.
In our heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration program, you'll gain hands-on experience with residential, commercial, and industrial HVAC systems. You'll work towards earning your HVACR Core and Level 1 certification, which will prepare you for a career in HVAC.
The OSHA and NCCR certifications are lifelong certifications.
Once you get those, you'll never lose them, and right after high school, you can go out to the field and get a job.
EVIT can help you get ahead of the game and give me so many opportunities that I would have never thought of receiving.
Whether you're looking to jump into the workforce or pursue our apprenticeship program, this program will equip you with the skills you need for success in the field.
This program is helping me elevate to the next level because it's teaching me life skills to make money for myself and just do something with my life.
I heard it pays very well and there's a lot of job opportunities with HVAC.
I just want to start my own business, like start off with this HVAC and then maybe make my own HVAC company in the future.
EVIT is a land of opportunity for everyone high and low. Being a student is only the beginning because EVIT can help you find who you are and gives you the confidence to pursue your dreams. Your future, your way.